Oh, it's my friend Custom Cruisers, beautiful old Evo that we have done some work on in the past. Rebuilt the tranny, done all sorts, you know, primary, got the big bearing going on, the double roller bearing, you know, just generally good being used. This bike, beautiful old bike, very cool bike, but turns more heads than your brand new 2015 or whatever Fat Boys or anything, I'd say. Genuine old bike, 1990, what would this be, 3 or 4 I'd have said, but big old 1.5 inch belt like they had on the proper Evos, and beautiful machine, very, very cool. Okay, this turns more heads, like I say, than any modern machine ever will. I had a similar bike myself off a guy called Jake, but Evo's awesome, just really going through the roof because they're so well made. You know, you cannot go wrong with an Evo. No electronic shit, real basic Mikuni, in fact stock carb on this. If you're interested in any great stuff for these Mikuni kits, or if you're interested in better brakes, let's face it, the brakes are pretty shit on these bikes. This has got the oil cooler going on. You know, all the primer, say, done with a heavy duty bearing, the double row one, fully rebuilt, no engine or oil leaks, as you can see, which before we had a lot of leaks all over the place, out the primary, out the tranny. You know, the big problem with the old bikes when you don't look after them. But beautiful machine, like I say, this is a good example of a proper old school bike that's used every day, and he does. So if you're interested in any parts, give us a call. Otherwise, keep an eye on the website. Thank you.